Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about annual planning, how to set up your planner for the year in order to help you to stay on top of everything and know what's coming up next. So this is my yearly planner. My yearly planner is a section that I have at the front of my weekly hourly planner, the life planner that I have, that helps me to plan out my entire year. So this is a brand new addition to my weekly hourly planner, and as you can see, it has the entire year, 3 months on each page. So the first page is the first quarter, and then we have the second quarter, the third quarter, and the fourth quarter. Now, I love doing this setup because you all know that I am a big fan of the 12-week year, and having my planner have this particular section so that I can plan out by 3 months at a time is super helpful. So in order to set this one up, I am going to use my phone. I do use Google Calendar in order to kind of help me with different things that are coming up in the future. However, I don't like to solely rely on Google Calendar. I feel like it's a great place for me to store things, but it is not a great place for me to kind of look and see what's coming up. I do like to use paper for that. Since I have a lot of things that are coming up for the year within my phone, I am going to use this as my guide to set up my yearly planner and just jot down the different things that's coming up. The first thing that I'm going to add on here are all of the birthdays. These are birthdays that are coming up for the first 3 months of the year that I want to make sure that I remember. And I also want to use some colorful dots in order to mark off the different events and things that I'm putting on here. So we're going to use these pink dots to mark off all of the birthdays. So I'm going to also put a key at the very top here to let myself know what each dot represents. The next thing that I'm going to put on here are big events. These are just different events that we want to remember, and it could be times where I am going out of town or different celebrations that we have. We have our church anniversary, and that is going to be on February 2nd. So I'm gonna write that one down. I also wanna mark off membership video days. So every Thursday, I usually will send out a membership video, and I wanna mark that down. So the top reason why I decided to create a yearly planner was so that I could be able to think ahead about all of the different things that are coming up. Many times, even if I was planning 1 month ahead, there were certain events that I really wanted to plan 2 or 3 months ahead. And so creating this yearly planner really has helped me to be able to see my entire quarter, 3 months at one time, instead of just looking at the current month or the very next month. So we're adding things that I have to do for work, things that's coming up for church, birthdays, and other events, including personal events, all to this planner. Another thing that I do like to add as well are holidays. Adding different holidays like Mother's Day, Easter Sunday, and Memorial Day helps me to plan ahead and get gifts if I need to for those specific days. So this is the yearly planner for now, and really it serves as an overview of everything that's coming up for 2025. I really love having a highlight of everything that's coming up because it really does help you as you're planning out your year, your quarters, and your months. So I really wanted to share this one with you because it is at the beginning of the weekly hourly planner. And so I highly suggest that you set this one up, especially if you have a planner that is like mine, where you are only planning 1 month at a time or 3 months at a time. You need a section or a spot that helps you to look at everything that's coming up for the year. And as I plan out my goals, which the goals section is also within the weekly hourly planner. It's the very first page in that planner. And so when I decide on these goals and set up this page with you all, this is going to help me to also add additional deadlines to this yearly planner. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that this one has helped you, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.